So in this video, we're going to show you how to remove your door strike or door hook, depending on your make and model of machine. So to remove the door strike on your dishwasher, it's very easy. We're just going to open our door. And your door strike is typically right in the center of your tub up top. And it may look a little different depending on your make and model of machine. Some of them it's a little bit of a hook. Some that's just a metal tab like this one. You may find that it's a little bit wider or a little bit narrower, but it's typically this style design in this location. And on this one, they're very easy to replace if you have to. They just have a couple of tabs at the top. You're just going to push downward with your two fingers, and it slides right out. It's that easy to remove. Others may have a bit of a flange, and there may be a couple of screws that mount it to your tub. But if that's the case, they're usually very obvious. So it'll either be a couple of screws or just, again, the metal fingers that push down in order to release it.